Are you an independent contractor or gig worker looking to save money on maintaining your vehicle? We've got you covered. In today's video, we'll share some smart strategies to help you save on vehicle maintenance and keep more money in your pocket. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Regular maintenance is key. Schedule routine checkups and oil changes to prevent expensive repairs down the road. By keeping up with regular maintenance, you'll catch any potential issues before they turn into major problems. Tip number 2. DIY when you can. Doing simple tasks like changing your own air filters or replacing windshield wipers can save you a trip to the mechanic and money on labor costs. Just make sure you have the right tools and follow proper instructions. Tip number 3. Shop around for the best prices. Don't settle for the first mechanic or auto shop you come across. Get quotes from different places to find the best deals on parts and services. You'd be surprised how much you can save just by comparing prices. Tip number 4. Keep your tires properly inflated. Maintaining the correct tire pressure not only ensures your safety, but also improves fuel efficiency. Regularly check your tire pressure and save on gas mileage in the long run. Tip number 5. Join loyalty or discount programs. Many auto shops offer special discounts or loyalty programs for regular customers. By taking advantage of these programs, you can save money on maintenance and repairs over time. Tip number 6. Practice fuel-efficient driving. Avoid aggressive acceleration and braking, as well as excessive idling. By adopting fuel-efficient driving habits, you'll maximize your gas mileage and save money at the pump. Remember, with these smart strategies, you can save money on vehicle maintenance and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. Until next time.